Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2012 Chevrolet Impala. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by front and rear reading lights, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and much more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.